Jai Hind everyone. We are now going to continue negotiations phase. I am Kiran Arya Swami and we are talking about Operation Cactus Bay negotiation phase. Okay, so we are talking about the leader of the mercenaries because अभी तक हमने क्या देखा? We found कि Colombo से माले से the negotiations team was sent to Colombo from where seeking helicopter from Godavari. They were sent back from this helicopter to Godavari frigate and from there they were able to set contact with the vessel जो कि है PV light vessel I think Progress light vessel जो है वहाँ पे they were able to contact them जहाँ पे basically this was the vessel जहाँ पे हमारे mercenaries जिसके अंदर present थे and they were taking the hostages with them along with the Minister of Transport. So now we're continuing. The leader of the mercenaries proved to be intractable. तो उसने कहा नहीं मैं नहीं मानना चाहता जो भी आप कहना चाह रहे हो. He insisted that the Progress light would proceed only to Colombo and demand intervention by an international team. उन्होंने कहा हम बहुत तंग हो चुके हैं हमें इंटरनेशनल टीम से मतलब चाहिए कि वो इन्वॉल्व हुए हम आपके साथ कुछ नहीं बात करना चाहते. After 15 hours of tension-packed dialogue between the negotiators and the mercenaries, during which the ship continued to head off to Colombo, जो Progress light of Colombo तक जा रहा है, so this is like basically motion में this negotiations is taking place. It became clear that the rebels were not prepared to negotiate and change the destination of Progress light. That was obviously clear हो चुका था हमें कि वो नहीं चाहते हम नेगोशिएशन करें उनके साथ और वो चाहते हैं कि हम कोलंबो में जाएं वहाँ पे इंटरनेशनल लोग ही हमसे बात करें और उनसे ही हम नेगोशिएशंस की बात करेंगे. Meanwhile, the Sri Lankan government was already intimated. तो उनको बता दिया गया था कि ऐसा चल रहा है. They will probably be heading to Colombo. ठीक है, that the rebel ship will not be allowed to enter the Sri Lankan waters and that if it did, it would be attacked. तो उन्होंने पहले उनको बता दिया कि अगर आप इस rebel ship को allow करते हो तो आप attack होगे तो please do not allow. ठीक है, the Maldivian government had also made clear its desire that the Progress light should not be allowed to proceed to Colombo. ठीक है, now we're moving on to pressure tactics. The safety of hostages being the primary consideration. Again, as I talked about before, safety is maximum. We need कि जो भी उन्होंने hostage लिए हैं, मतलब property damages पे भी उतना priority पे नहीं है जितना hostage की हमारी protection और hostage की हमारा protection is more necessary than हमारा property की protection. Godavari was directed to initiate graded pressure tactics and stop the Progress light from closing the Sri Lankan coast. So basically उन्होंने क्या किया? They were like कि हम अपना pressure के through because that is what they are trained for. So pressure tactics use करके they were to stop it from going to Sri Lankan coast soon after midnight. So they started on 2nd, 3rd की रात को. Now it's 5th, 6th की रात November and they Progress light was given the choice to either return to Male, तो या तो तुम Male return कर दो या फिर Indian port के लिए चले जाओ, but they obviously refused. A firm warning was issued. This evoked no response. उनको हमने बहुत warn किया कि अगर आप नहीं बात सुनोगे, then it will be very dangerous with you and serious action will be taken against you. A warning shot was fired. अब क्या था क्योंकि they were not listening anything, they were like हम तो करेंगे. So that is why a warning shot was fired, not on them, but to tell them कि अगर हमें if need be, we are ready to take action. It failed to persuade the hijackers still because hijackers जो थे they were like no हम नहीं करना चाहते. Close range gunfire was aimed at the forward goalpost mast. It dislodged the swinging derrick, which is basically a part of the ship, and that fell on the top of the fast-speeding escape craft. तो this जो Progress light थी उसके ऊपर उन्होंने जब वहाँ पे they started gunfire, it was aimed towards the goalpost mast, जिसकी वजह से जो front वाला part था basically a part of the ship swinging derrick जो था that fell on top of it. After dawn on the 6th, pressure was increased और भी ज़्यादा. Godavari Sea King dropped 2 depth charges ahead of the bow, which is basically defense का एक तरीके का you can say it's a type of equipment. You can say कि that was dropped कि अगर आप it works on the basis of the principle of depth कि आप it's kind of similar to mines but basically it works against ships. ठीक है, and it is not safe for a ship to steer over it. ठीक है, so now close range gunfire was aimed at the aft mast and funnel, and at 8:25 again morning 8:25 a frantic report from the Master of Progress light. ठीक है, Master of Progress light अब इतना ज़्यादा they had to succumb, indicated that the rebels had surrendered. And this is on morning 8:25. The ship, however, continued to move ahead. उन्होंने कहा हमने surrender तो कर दिया, but still they are moving. तो क्या करना है? So Betwa opened fire one of her shells and it hit the Progress like amidships and she stopped. तो उसने फिर Betwa ship had to take action and that is how they stopped. The hit started a fire on board Progress Light, frightened the mercenaries and caused the ship to stop. The mercenaries surrendered at 8:54 hours on 6 November. A naval boarding party seized the ship, brought the hostages to Godavari and apprehended the mercenaries. So that is what all took place. Evacuation of the injured hostages. 8 injured hostages, including the Maldivian Minister of Shipping and Transport, were immediately evacuated by the helicopter to the military hospital in Trivandrum for urgent hospitalization. Hostages with minor injuries were treated on board, तो जिनका possible था कि उनको हम तभी के तभी support provide कर सकते हैं, medical support, उनको तभी के तभी support provide किया गया, but जिनके लिए ज़्यादा serious condition थी, they were taken to Trivandrum. Next we talk about what was the now capsizing of MV Progress Light. Efforts by salvage parties from Betwa to extinguish the fire. So basically we have now to extinguish fire. अब क्योंकि उस पे आग लग गई थी, हमने लास्ट देखा कि जब लास्ट बारी बेतवा ने फायर किया उसके ऊपर आग लग गई. So now to extinguish the fire, now Betwa से salvage parties were sent and क्योंकि इतनी destruction हो गई थी, there was also flooding on board, so to control that they were working. The Progress Light was unsuccessful in the adverse weather conditions that prevailed. Its crew was transferred. तो अब still उनको ऐसा नहीं था कि उनको छोड़ दिया जो mercenaries थे कि ठीक है तुमने बहुत हमारा loss किया, अब तुम जाओ डूबो. That was not the case. That is never the case. ठीक है, because again human rights, humans if they can be protected, no matter what crimes they have committed, उनको protect करते हैं and उनको provided punishment मिलती है which is appropriate, but never it is कि they are made to die कि तुम मर जाओ. It's never that condition कि they are made to die in adverse conditions. It is never the case. Its crew was transferred to Betwa and Progress Light capsized at 5:30 hours on 7th November, 56 miles southwest of Colombo. मतलब इतने पास वो Colombo के पहुंच चुका था. Now we're talking about return to Male. Godavari and Betwa proceeded to Male. ठीक है, so now अब उनको अपनी क्योंकि उनके पास वहाँ के लोग थे, hostages थे, तो उनको वापस अपने घर पहुँचाने के लिए they proceeded to Male with the captured mercenaries as well, the rescued hostages and the crew of MV Progress Light. At the formal ceremony on 8th November, the commanding officer of Godavari handed over the rescued hostages to the Maldivian government officials. President Gayoom was personally present at this ceremony. The captured mercenaries were later taken to Godavari to an Indian Army detention camp located on the Gamanu Island on 9th November. ठीक है, now what are the lessons learned? Because main चीज होती है हमने जो भी war लड़ा उसके बाद क्या lesson learn किया? The swift success of Operation Cactus was because the Maldives were within easy reach. तो अगर ज़्यादा दूर होते तो it would not have been possible and easy for us also. And also because an air fleet was available for air landing operation. अगर air fleet starting से ही हमें available ना हो, अगर उनके पास already counter action plan होता तो ये नहीं possible हो पाता कि हम जो जिस तरीके से easy तो नहीं पर जिस तरीके से हम we were able to provide them support उतना it would not have been possible. This may not always be the case. The operation highlighted the need for Navy to possess integral hello assault capability as well. ठीक है, the helicopter के through भी also we can provide them with assault and we are able to destroy like we have appropriate material and appropriate supply available. The prompt withdrawal of the Indian forces at India's initiative was very well appreciated. कि एकदम से they were the first people to respond and mean कि हम we are present, we are going to help you out of this situation. So that was all about Operation Cactus. I hope you were able to understand it well, and that was all for today. Thank you and Jai.